Hey, welcome back, channel viewers. Thank you for being with me. I am continuing on working with the trim for the inside of the house. I've determined that this trim is too dark compared to the other burnt wood stuff that I've done in the house. So I'm going to go ahead and sand it down, take some of the dark out of it. So I'll show you the process as I get some. All right, so here's the first one. Big contrast. I like it. Yeah, that's how it should look. It's a very dirty job. I'll get back to it. All right, I got a second one done. Problem is the sandpaper gets clogged up, so then I have to use this brass brush to clean it off, so it takes a little bit more time. Oh well, it only takes about 5 minutes to do a board, so I'll keep it. All right, so I've got these done, and I have the first sanding done on these. I used an 80 grit, and then I'll go back over it with a 120 to clean it up, get them a little bit lighter. Some of them were so charred, which is not a bad thing, but some of them were so charred that every 20-30 seconds I was cleaning it off. What a beautiful day. Sunshine. Whew. Yeah, it beats the rain coming the rest of this week. Like 5 days straight we're supposed to have rain. Anyway, back to work. All right, so I got it all sanded down, and now I'm just gonna just wash it down to eliminate the dust. All right, so I've got it all wiped down, and these look nice, beautiful. I can't wait to be able to get it put up. I just washed them, got the dust, some extra char off of them, and they're beautiful. Yeah. But thank you for being with me, and this is kind of a short one. Yeah. Check out my Insta360 affiliate link, and I guess I'll show you what's going on once I start putting up this trim. I've got, I don't know, several hundred more board foot ordered, and when that's done, you know, I've got a lot more work to do. So thank you for being here. Please share, like, subscribe, comment, and you'll see me in the next one. For now, break time.